Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing a case I purchased on AliExpress for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. And this is a case which, similar to other cases we've seen here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, doesn't make a lot of sense. I'll explain. So this is the case that arrived from AliExpress in all this styrofoam packaging. And the reason it's well protected is that it's a glass case. You'd expect you'd want to protect a glass phone with a rubber case, a crocodile case, a leather case, all sorts of cases. But this is a case made to make sure that you have that constant adrenaline rush from having a glass case on top of your phone. Now, obviously I'm exaggerating a little. The case itself is made of glass here, and it has rubber or plastic TPU around the edges. And the edges have a lot of grip to them. It's not smooth, it's not slippery at all. And the top is a softer matte finish black top. So overall, it's an interesting case. Let's see how it fits on my kinda blingy Google Pixel 6 Pro. So I'm going to pop it in the case, buttons first, and we'll see how it fits. Right, it fits quite well. And the back of the case, as I said, is made out of glass. So let's see what it says. It says, "Hello, glass case. Believe life is always colorful." So this is sort of really good life advice. To believe that life is always colorful is, I think, something that when you're working in the accessory industry for mobile phones, you're brutally aware of, because cases come in so many different colors. But then I think the thing that really makes this case special, it says, "Hello, glass case." And I think that should probably become our YouTube channel catchphrase going forward. What do you think? Instead of saying, "What's up, guys?" I'll say, "Hello, glass case." That might be something that we'll work on, but definitely something I'm quite amused by. Okay, then I'll stop giggling and shaking the camera with that. Let's look at the case itself and see how it goes. So this is the Google Pixel 6 Pro. I'm going to try the volume up button, and it works fine, there's no stickiness. Volume down button, there's no stickiness there either. On and off buttons work as expected. So it's good that the buttons have no stickiness. And just as a first impression, the rubberized edges are really quite good, as in they make you feel like the phone isn't slippery at all. On the left-hand side, there's nothing to speak of. On the right-hand side, you have, as I said, the buttons. At the top, there's a cutout for that microphone. And at the bottom, you have the cutouts for the Type-C port and the two symmetrical speakers and microphone ports. And looking at the back, we have that Google Pixel 6 Pro very distinctive band at the back. And I have to say, this case does a pretty good job of giving it a little bit of lift. Not a lot, but enough to leave you relatively confident when you put the phone down, face down on a surface. Obviously, we don't recommend you do that, but it is something that you can do with a little bit of lift off the surface you're putting the phone down on. So overall, really nice case. It doesn't add a lot of bulk to the Google Pixel 6 Pro. What I would say is, as I opened with, if you want to have that continuous adrenaline rush of glass back on your phone that could shatter any time you drop it, this is probably the phone case for you. That is probably not hardened glass, so there is a bit of extra adrenaline there. And I think that overall, for the price I paid for this, which is around about £2 sterling, which is maybe $3, less than $3, if you can wait the 2 weeks for it to arrive from AliExpress, you can get that adrenaline pumping thanks to this case from the iCock store on AliExpress. Now, I'll let you giggle as much as you like at the name iCoque store, but it's obviously from the French coque, which is case, C-O-Q-U-E. And I'll be using this phone case going forward, even if it's just for hello glass case. Anyway, thanks for watching this quick unboxing and review of the iCoque glass case for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, and accessories we believe make the travel experience better, including, in this case, cases for the Google Pixel 6 Pro, as well as other smartphones. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the section below. I'll leave the AliExpress affiliate link in the description to where you can purchase this case and many other ones. If you purchase from there, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks as well. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.